Hello everybody, it's lovely to see you all today. I thought I'd share a story with you all. We love stories in F2. Now, I wonder if you can guess what today's story's about. That's right, it's a shark. And the shark today is called Smiley Shark. Smiley Shark and the great big Hiccup. Hiccup, hiccup. It's really annoying when you get hiccups, isn't it? The person who wrote this story, the author, is called Ruth Galloway. I hope you enjoy it. Far away in the deep rolling ocean, the fish were all in a frenzy. Smiley Shark had disappeared. "Woohoo, Smiley Shark, where are you?" called Angel Fish. The friends searched in the swirling seaweed and around the colourful coral, but they couldn't find him anywhere. At last, Octopus spotted him, but poor Smiley Shark had lost his smile. "What's wrong, Smiley Shark?" asked Starfish. "Hiccup! I can't get rid of these annoying hiccups," Smiley Shark grumbled. "I know what to do," cried Angel Fish. "When I have hiccups, I swim as fast as I can. That always makes them go." Whee! With a whoosh and swoosh, Smiley Shark and Angel Fish whizzed off as fast as they could swim. But it didn't work. "Oh, please, Starfish, can you help me?" asked Smiley Shark. "Of course," smiled Starfish. "When I have hiccups, I do cartwheels and that always makes them go. Hic! Woo!" With a swish and a swirl, they tumbled and twirled together across the sand. But that didn't work either. Hiccup! Hiccup! Smiley Shark was feeling very dizzy, and he still had the hiccups. "I have an idea," said Octopus. He slowly reached out with his twisty, tickly tentacles and tickled Smiley Shark on the tummy. Smiley Shark wriggled and giggled and jumped and jiggled, but it didn't stop his hiccups. "I know just what will work," cried Pufferfish. "When I have hiccups, I hold my breath for as long as I can, and that always makes them go." They both took a big gulp of water and counted 1, 2, 3. "Hooray! My hiccups are gone!" grinned Smiley Shark. "Thank you so much, Puffer." Smiley Shark's hiccups were back, and they were worse than ever. His tummy jumped and bumped and span and twirled. Hiccup! Poor Smiley Shark was getting very grumpy and grumbly. "I'll never get rid of these annoying hiccups," he wailed. We need a better plan," Starfish suggested. The friends huddled together and whispered. Then Angel Fish said with a smile, "Why don't you swim to the back of the coral cave? You'll definitely find the cure for hiccups there." "Really?" cried Smiley Shark, determined to try. He swam off, still hiccuping gently. Inside the cave, it was dark and rather lonely. Bravely, Smiley Shark waited. And waited and waited. Boom! The scary surprise chased Smiley Shark's hiccups away. "Hooray!" everyone. Said Pufferfish. Oh no, Pufferfish has got the hiccups. That's silly. What a lovely story. Thank you, Smiley Shark. We loved your story all about hiccups. See you soon, everybody.